We're testing. We have real soap base, but it's kind of expensive, so we are going to try it with Ivory soap. Oops. Need to reheat it at 30-second bursts of heat.
How does it look?
I'm pretty sure it will melt fine. But we're just testing it out. Oh, I need a spoon. 1 second.
Come and look, Dad.
What? What happened?
Take it out.
It all poofed up.
Take it out.
All poofed up.
Yep, the reason that did that is because Ivory soap has tiny, tiny little air bubbles in it. That's what makes it float. So when we heat it up in the microwave, the air bubbles got bigger and turned into a froth, and Mom poofed up.
You knew this would happen, didn't you?
Yeah.
I still want to melt it, so.
Okay, cool.